This is just a simple unboxing of the air conditioning plenum that comes from RV Airflow Systems. They just stick a shipping label on one end of it and UPS delivers it just like this. There are lots of good, well not lots, but there are some good install videos on YouTube on installing this. Be careful because it is a piece of foam when you use your box cutter to open it up. Instruction sheet might have the Coleman Mach 15 that it's going in. Got some pieces of foam stripping here. And these guys will go in the side of your box where the AC is. They'll go inside your ductwork. Now I have seen a couple of videos on YouTube where you do have to make some slight modifications, and one of them was do some trimming on this part. But I'm not sure, but you might have to do some slight modifications on these. And you'll have two of these, one for each side of course, and they're in the box. And that's it. It's a piece of foam. But you can see, well, this is just soft foam strips here, but you can see where the air comes down from your OEM AC box. It just, without this, it just comes down under force, under whatever speed you're running on, high or low speed, and it hits that blank wall. And then you have all this turbulence inside, and that's supposedly where this comes in. This eliminates a lot of the turbulence. And the airflow numbers and the temperature numbers, you can't argue with that. It's a fact. You can see where the air flows down in here, nice and smooth. Your ductwork's smashing up against it, because when you push these in on your AC, they're under pressure. And the foam will put, it's going to go like this, and the foam on the back side of this will put just enough pressure where it creates a nice smooth fit. It also allows you to get this up in there. You can see the smoothness of this here. So it's pretty neat. Got a little crease right there. That was from shipping, no doubt. But maybe this will show the smoothness of how the contours are. It is just a piece of foam, but it looks well made. And it's not the kind that you can just chip apart. Looks like it's got some pretty good strength to it. Well, I can't wait because, like I say, I've seen all the numbers on it, on the airflow increase, like 40% more airflow, and the temperatures is a huge increase in how quick the RV will cool down. And the fact is, you just can't argue with the numbers on it. But thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Travel safe out there.